Wow, you guys are playing so nicely. That's wonderful. Hey Mason, is that cool? We've never played with this set before, hey? Mason having a good time? His new haircut? Wow, you're doing a great job, Mace. Look at you guys playing so nicely together. Wow, look at that! Cool, you let the cars go for a ride on there. Wow.
I'll do it, Mace.
Okay. John's gonna press the button. I think the button is the red button by his toe. The little red button thing, I think, there. Yep. Okay, don't break the motor. Don't put your hand on it. Whee! They're going for a ride. Whee! You dancing a little bit, Mace? Keeling back there, everyone can see. There you go. Whee! Whee! Look at Mom, Keelan. Keelan, look at Mom. Hey guys, look at me. Look at me, guys. Yeah, look at me, Keelan. Playing nicely.